this location over here. We're heading from this other direction. This is the old homeless camp over here. There used to be an old house right there. So we're gonna hit this up. And when I say we, I mean we. And that's me and Weigold's Metal Detecting Adventures. What's your channel name?
Huh?
What's your channel name?
Weigold's Metal Detecting Adventures.
Exactly. So we're gonna hit it up. This is Robert. And we're gonna hit it up. We're gonna find some treasures. See you out there, and let's hit it. Well, we're just out here scouting around a little bit. I got my AT Pro with me. Just kind of looking around, seeing what's out here. There's some kind of rock wall here. Got Robert over there. We're just kind of scouting out, trying to do the lay of the land out here, kind of see where things were. We're thinking that was the privy right there. But we're gonna scout around a little bit, see what we can find out here. Like I said, there's a lot of stuff right on the surface. So we're gonna look around a bit, see what we can find. I'll let you know when we find something. I found some old, I don't know what that would be. Hey, a lantern? That's pretty cool. Not quite sure what it is. There's another part or something right here. Oh, big old pipe. Ah, heavy, very heavy. All right, just scouting around out here. There's some kind of area right here I'm gonna hit up. Looks like someone was digging. If you can look over here, there's been somebody out here. You can see a few holes like this out here. So there has been somebody out here digging, but they couldn't dig at all. So let's go digging. So I'm in coin mode. We got right on the surface, we got something here. So we're gonna dig that live. Hey, the first dig live. How's that sound? Let's check it out. Right there. Oh, I forget. I don't have my hand shovel. I have this one today. Oh, I felt it. Oh. It's gonna be something big. Some big piece of metal. Oh, look at that. The big old rotor. Yep. Definitely is something good. Check that out. Oh, that's cool. I want to take that out with me. How cool is that? That's pretty cool right there. That's coming home with me. Coming home with Mama. That's pretty cool. We'll find out what it's for. It's a heavy sucker. Alright, on to the next one. Oh, we found ourselves an old bullet. We'll have to, I got my spray bottle. Let's check it out. See if we can find out what it is. No, it's a little corroded. Alright, we'll check it out on the wrap up. Alright, good find. On the next, we've got some old iron parts. There's a lot more down here. So I'm going to dig around this area for a little bit and see what else I can find. Alright, then we're going to go check on Robert, see what he's up to. Alright, let's get on it. I'm back here like where I found the marble the last time. I started digging this hole, had a lot of signals. First thing I dug up was this little spring, maybe to a lamp or something. That came up, and then I started digging up all these pieces of metal. So this place right here is definitely a dump ground for all this metal, just tons of it. So I'm gonna stop digging in this area, leave that right there on top. I'm gonna make it a lever, right? Yep, nothing, a lot of signals right here, but I'm feeling it's gonna be a lot of that metal. It's everywhere. All right, on to the next one. All right, well, this was definitely the place where stuff was dumped. I just dug this up. What do you suppose that is? Everything's like right up on the top. Oh, I don't want to break it any more than it is. Keep that together. I don't know. Maybe Robert knows what it is. I'm gonna stick it in my pouch, take it all out with me. be nice if I found an old cowbell out here. Anyways, finding stuff real close to the surface, as you can see. There's pottery everywhere. I've been trying to take some pottery out with me. So if I see something that catches my eye, I'm taking it on out with me. Alright, Robert's over there on the other side, digging over there. I'm digging back here, and then we'll compare notes here in a little bit. Stuff everywhere. Everywhere. I hope my legs can hold out. Alright, let's carry on. Alright, let's dig through this live. I'm already seeing some old lumber. Some old burnt lumber. The house right here had burnt down. So, some old roof tiles. Some old lumber, but something's ringing up in here, so let's find it. Let's turn it on first. Could be some old roof nails. Some old glass. That is what I want, dude. This stuff's everywhere right here. I'm looking for coins. I want a coin. Another piece of glass. That's why I'm wearing my gloves today. Alright. I'll let you know what I find. Alright. Check that out. What the heck is it? Gotta be careful out here. Oh, I'm scared of that. Little centipede, millipede. I don't know. I ain't touching it. Alright. There's something in that hole. I did find this wire right here. So there's gonna be a bunch of that. I don't want that thing near me. Can I clear it way over there? Alright, let's find something else. Well, I can just be on my hands and knees all day here. Here's another piece of that metal. There's a little piece of milk glass. I wish I can find a whole bottle, but there's a little piece of milk glass. But I do see something right there sticking out of the ground. I'm gonna see what it is. Oh, it's a big piece of metal. And this is the kind of thing that's making my detector go berserk. A whole piece of metal. Aluminum, looks like. I'm gonna throw that in my pile over there. But yeah, there's this stuff. I can just be on my knees forever. There's another piece of the old house. Like I said, you gotta really pick and choose. There's stuff everywhere. So we're gonna dig and I'll make a little pile and I'll show you what I find. It was almost a coin. And a ribbit. Let's see if there's anything else there while I'm down here. There's Robert right over there. He's finding all kinds of stuff. A little hubcap. I'm gonna have to take that on out with us. Very cool. Right up there on the top. I don't know if Robert, I don't think he dug it up. But, alright. We'll take that on out with us with the other thing. That's pretty cool. On and on. Let's go. A part of an old bean pot. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna dig around this area for a little bit. Again, this place burnt down, so I'm sure a lot of the stuff got pushed out this way. So, a bunch of stuff around here. More of that bean pot. So, I'm gonna take some of this stuff on out of here because it's pretty cool. Alright, let's keep digging. There you go. Somebody has been digging out here. Check this out. What we got? We got some old electrical stuff. Look at, there's a milk bottle. Menthol Atom, regular trade. Alright, well, somebody did some digging out here, obviously. There's a hole here. They didn't like what they found, apparently. Some old pottery. I'm gonna scout around right here. They probably got frustrated with all these metal pieces. I'm gonna take that out of here with me. Something else over here. Talking about, there's this stuff right up on the surface. I don't know what that is. We'll take that on out. There's just all kinds of stuff. I left my detector way over there, but there's a bunch of pottery here as well. How I missed this, I don't know. Look at that pattern right there. Cool. All kinds of pottery right here. Some pink pottery. Alright, well, I'm going to dig around this hole right here. Go back and get my detector. And see what's right here. All kinds of stuff right here. Alright, well, let's dig right here. Alright, I'm going to go get my shovel. As you can see, there's a lot of stuff out here. Here's an old, probably an old kerosene can. Over here is an old, looks like an old bed frame. Old bed frame underneath there, maybe a crib frame. It's pretty small. Looks like an old crib. Definitely. There's just stuff poking up all over the place. There's another bed. There's Robert. We're gonna see what he found. All right, let's keep scouting around this area. Oh my God, look at that. What the heck? I'm scary. Gotta be careful out here, I guess. Let's see. Oh man. That's creepy. Yeah, you keep going that way, little fella. That's scary. Alright, there's something down there. It scared me. Oh my God. Alright, let's see what it is. There's something down here. I'll show you what it is. Alright, it's just an old pipe down there. I'm not digging that up. A cool centipede was out there. Alright, let's keep digging. Oh, that scared me. Alright, just went over. Robert found something cool. Go check it out. What'd you find?
Sweet penny.
Yay!
I don't know.
What year?
I can't tell. But I'll flip it over to the reverse.
Let me see.
It was in with a nail. This old nail.
19. Can you see it?
Actually, I can. Yes, I got that nail. It was in with that. So I got my loop.
I have a spray bottle here. Oops, wrong way. Not in your face.
Your foo-foo juice, huh?
Yeah.
Smells funny.
No, it's got a little residue of perfume in there.
1929?
Wow. Fantastic. Yay. First good coin.
Yeah, I can barely see it. Here, I'll let you do that.
Yep, 1929 indeed.
Second coin. First one was a Zinkin, and now
fantastic.
a Wheatie.
Fantastic. Guys, it just goes to show you that there's finally we found a coin. I'm glad Robert found it. That's exciting. I'm gonna go back here to my gear. The terrain right here is so rough. It's like tough walking through it. But there's a couple holes where that centipede lives now. Over there, that scared me. All right, here's all my gear. I'm gonna hit up this area all right here, see what I can find, and I'll get back to you. Yeah, Robert's over there. All right, there's stuff to be found. All right, let's go dig this together. It's right on the top. It's a pretty good signal. Right there. See what it is. Come on, coin. Oh, that's a big old worm. Let's go fishing. A good old worm. Nice ground out here. Oh, there it is right there. Oh, what is that? What the heck is that? It's like some piece of jewelry or something. Oh my God, am I recording? That is fantastic. Wow. Got some chains on it. That is, oh my God, what could that be? Anybody knows what that is? Put it in the description below. Wow. Wow, what could that be? Look, it has like some kind of, oh, that's awesome. It's got to be some kind of jewelry or something. Oh, I don't want to bend it. Wow, let's keep digging in this hole. Oh, there's more. Let's see what else is. Keep it live. I'm going to put that in my bag. God, if I can find the rest of it, that would be freaking awesome. Alright, I'm going to dig up some more, and I'm going to let you know if I find something. How freaking cool. And just an old nail in there. Oh, but I'm hopeful, though. Wow. I'm going to dig around this area some more. Wow, that was a fantastic find. Let's take a look at it again. Oh my God. I am so stoked with that. Wow. Oh, you know what it probably was? It's an old purse, like an old change purse. Oh, we got to find the rest of that, and I know it's right here. That's fantastic. That's what it is. It's an old change purse. Fan-freaking-tastic. All right, let's keep digging. All right, guys, look at there. I found another piece of that change purse. That's freaking cool. All right, right here. I want to see if there's any more of it. But that's another piece of it. That's really cool. Right on. All right, we're gonna keep digging right in this area. The other hole is just right there. That change purse is, so I'm gonna search this whole area. Maybe we can find the whole thing. That's pretty cool. All right, let's keep digging. We're gonna dig this stuff up. I don't know what it is. It's some part of old car part, but it was ringing up pretty good. Get her out of here. Oh, there it is. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. All kinds of neat stuff like that out here. Oh, it's got some writing on it. Oh, I got a date. 1911. Where's my spray bottle? It's got a date on it, you guys. Let's check it out. I don't know how well this is going to work, but... in the grass. I'll rub it in my jeans. June 21st, 04, you guys. August 1st, 11. How cool. Got a date on it. That is awesome. Look at that. What is it? I know it's some kind of wheel. I just got a date. 1904. June 21st, 1904. August 1st, 1911. Fantastic. I could be out here for days. I'm finding some good stuff. Some of the stuff's heavy, but I'm still taking this stuff out with me. It's freaking awesome. All right, let's keep digging, guys. Woohoo. Well, I just sat down to take a break because, boy, am I hot. I found this. It's an old eyeball, I believe. Am I a layman? It's an eyeball. I definitely think it's an eyeball. That's an eyeball. Got my AT Pro over there. There's just stuff everywhere. Finding some really good stuff. I don't ever want to leave. I think we'll definitely come back out here whether it's raining or not. Let's see while I'm sitting down if there's anything else I can show you. All kinds of pottery. I'll do a wrap up later. I found an old bullet. I don't know what the hell that is. But there's a lot of pottery. It's more of that blue stripe pottery. Probably like a bean bowl or cereal bowl or something. Most of it I put over there. A cool pattern on this one. A little china. Some more part of the milk glass. Some little leverite stuff. And little nails that gave me trouble. I don't have much in my bag. I've been putting it in that hubcap over there. There, found myself an eyeball. Boop, boop. Anyways, I'm gonna sit here and take a break. Get back out there. Robert's been underneath that tree over there for a while now. He must be finding stuff over there or something interesting. We'll do a wrap up at the end. But it's a good day. It's always a good day. All right, next time. Let's keep hunting. That old wheel. Have they got any? I can't see with my glasses on. A Firestone. Oh, Firestone wheel. Pretty cool. Right on. Finding some really cool stuff. There you go, whole Firestone. Pretty cool. Alright, ready to keep digging around here. I'm finding some pretty cool stuff. Alright, carry on. Found an old lid. Maybe a champagne or something. Alright. Getting tired. Stuff everywhere out here. Alright, let's keep going. An old wheel. I see it. That's an old one. Sitting there on the ground. Robert went over there. I'm gonna head over there. Supposed to be a homeless camp over there, so I'm gonna head over there and back him up. After I go with this, like, all this, not bob wire, but a rebarb down in the ground, so it's making my detector go nuts. We're gonna keep hunting, see what we can find. I'm gonna dig this out together. I don't know what it is. Oh, just an old piece of metal. Stuff like this makes it go wild. More in there, probably more of the same thing. All right, let's keep digging. All right, well, somebody had dug here recently, and there's an old toothpaste, metal toothpaste. We'll clean that up when we get back. We'll see if it has any markings on it. But somebody's already dug. Like I said, there's been somebody here. Can't dig it all. And obviously they're not after the same thing I am. I'm after history. They're actually probably after coins and whatnot. But anyways, we're gonna keep on searching. Finding some cool stuff. I'm not quite sure what that is. Got a little thing. I don't know, we'll examine it more when we get home. You know what that is? Leave it in the description below. You know the rules. Alright, let's keep digging. All I have to do is follow this guy around, whoever he was. Man, he went down deep in there. And that hole is deep. Anyways, see what he found. An old piece of glass. Some metal parts, man. He's digging and digging and digging. Not quite sure what that would be off of. It's been a while since whoever it was out here. Big old jar. Not quite sure what all this stuff went to, but he was digging for a while. Thanks for digging it up, buddy. Some nails, wire. But I'm not happy with the fact that he was leaving holes like that. If I would have fallen in that, I would have been mad. There's a cool piece of glass. Take that out with this. I'm gonna put this stuff to the side and bury that hole up a little bit so no one falls in it. All right, let's keep going. Check this out, you guys. Look at that. Freaking sweet. Chevrolet Southwest. I don't know much about car parts, but that's pretty cool. Alright, I'm gonna dig around and see if we can find the rest right here. That's pretty cool. I get my pointer out. I think rung up pretty high. Alright, I'm gonna search this area and let you know what I find. Awesome. Alright, let's keep going. Alright, we're gonna dig down this hole. There's something down there. Oh, that's a rock. That's not what I'm after. Where's my pointer? I got excited there for a minute. Alright, let you know. Alright, we found that part of it. It's just dirt. Let's see what that is. Not quite sure what that is. Oh, it's like a little lock. Not very far down right there. See if we can find the rest of it. This kind of stuff. Just look at and then just leave it right there. A lot of leaverites out here. It's a freaking leverite, freaking gold mine out here. So I can't wait to compare notes with what Robert found and what I found. Some pretty cool stuff. We'll definitely be coming out tomorrow. Please don't rain in the morning. All right, let's carry on. So this is obviously a little place, a little dumping ground. I don't know, my thing's going. Let me turn this off. A bunch of old pottery right here. Look at that one. That's a nice piece right there. And this is right here. I believe this is where I found that other bottle. So I'm gonna sit here on my knees and dig around a little bit. See if I can find any more old bottles. I did find this part of this old bottle. Some other little, dig some out. Anyways, we'll show it at the end. But there's a bunch of old pottery around here, and I'm gonna take a bunch home with me. So we'll have to look it out, spread it all out when I get home. All right, let's dig it up. All right, I just turned up some ground. Have some kind of old handle, something or another. There's stuff all on the ground right here. Pottery. Glass. A pile of glass right there. I'm gonna find something with some markings on it. Alright, I'm not gonna keep turning this on, so I'm gonna pile it up right there and then I'll show you when I'm done. What is that? Quite sure, maybe some kind of nose nozzle. I don't know, there's just stuff everywhere. I'll have to clean that up, see what that is. Alright, keep going on. All right here, I'm just playing the dirt all day long. Alright, I don't know where Robert went. I don't see him anywhere. Alright, carry on. Okay, here. Sorry about the airplane going overhead. Looks like a bunch of pottery and glass right here, all in this area right here. So I'm just looking on the surface, not so much digging as much. I'm about done. We'll be back tomorrow. If not tomorrow, another time. Well, that's a pretty good piece of pottery right there. Pottery, china. Just look around the surface, see what we can find. All right. I'm ready to head out for the day, and I see Robert put a bunch of stuff over here that he found. That's pretty cool. Might take that on out with me. What do you think that is? Okay, old side mirror. Old bumper. That's pretty cool, old side mirror. Oh, piece of an old bottle. Old Pepsi bottle or something. He's got little piles laying around. of stuff he dug up. Some heavy pieces. Not quite sure what that would be. Some old part of the foundation there. He was out here digging around in here quite a bit. So he's got little piles that he's got back here. Oh, I don't know what that is. A fuse box or something. He was digging around the whole house site. I don't know what pipe. Like a toilet pipe. I don't know, whole can over here. We just kind of been leaving stuff. There's just too much to take out with you. There's just stuff everywhere. Anyways, all right. I'm getting ready to pack it up, load it up, and go get my treasures that I found over in a location over to the side over there. Overall, I think it was a pretty good day. I don't know what this thing is, but that was pretty cool. I don't know what it's for, but I'm gonna take that out with me. I got a pocket full of stuff. We're gonna do a wrap up here pretty soon. Maybe I'll set this up right here and do a little wrap up. All right, be right back.